It's almost ready.
It smells wonderful.
I'm hungry, Mom. Me too.
They're awake now.
Just in time.
One egg coming right up.
Wow, it's mixing. It smells so good.
Perfect timing.
Almost ready now.
Stir gently, Kabir. Like this, Mom? Yay, noodles! Perfect. Almost ready.
Smells wonderful.
Here you go, Kabir.
Wow, thanks, Mom. It looks so yummy.
This is delicious.
That was so good.
I'm glad you liked it.
This is perfect.
Wow, look at those big waves. The raindrops look like little rivers. It's so beautiful out there.
Perfect day for a drive.
Slowing down, look at the beach.
It's clearing up. The sand looks so soft. Wow, I see waves. Can we go? Yes, let's go to the beach.
Ah, fresh air.
It's so peaceful.
Wow, the ocean.
It's slippery.
Let's explore.
Be careful, kids.
Race you to the water!
Kabir, wait.
Wow, the sand is so wet. Look at all the footprints. Be careful near the waves, Kabir.
I'll get the rest of the things.
Here are more sticks, Arav.
Thanks, Kabir. That's perfect.
Everything is ready over here. This shell has such pretty patterns.
There we go. It's catching now.
Wow, look at the flames. It's getting so warm.
Perfect for this rainy day.
The fire is burning nicely.
I'm placing the sweet potatoes now. Wow, look at the sparks. It's so warm.
Wow, they're starting to cook.
Yes, the skins are darkening nicely.
I can hear them sizzling.
Careful, it's hot.
I'll peel it slowly.
Wow, it's steaming.
It smells so good.
Time to pack up.
Okay, I'll fold the mat.
I can help.
I'll hold my shell.
Good. Almost done.
The ocean is so clear!
What is it? The rain cleared the air, sweethearts.
It's so pretty!
Wee, the sand feels amazing. Wait for me, Kabir. Be careful near the water.
It's beautiful out here.
Let's build a sand castle.
Arav, plates here.
Got it. Cups next.
Eggs in now.
They're having fun.
Almost ready. The omelet is cooking nicely.
It smells wonderful.
Almost ready. Could you pass the plate?
Here you go.
Kabir, Tara, breakfast is ready. Coming, Mom, we're so hungry. The water was fun.
Good. Come and eat.
You two look starving.
Yummy. I'm glad you like it, sweetie.
It's delicious.
Okay, time to pack up.
I'm rolling the mat now.
The ocean looks so peaceful.
Mom, look at this shell.
It's beautiful, Tara. Let's get in.
Everyone comfortable? The view is incredible.
It's perfect, Erov, so beautiful.
Wow, look at the waves! I can hear them crashing.